What's up, guys? I'm leaving for school now. I'm not running late this time, but I should probably leave before I do start running late. Leaving my house now. Alarm is on. Look what we have here. I think they're planting trees. We actually really need trees on this side. You're late again. So that bus that you just saw literally just passed us, and it was ridiculous. And if you're wondering why I'm in a laundromat, it's because it's freezing outside, and I don't know.
And it's dirty outside.
Yeah, I don't know how long I can stay in here before the owner comes out and kicks me out. So we're not missing this one. Daily 7-Eleven walk. Should have said run. Gotta get my green juice. That's all I drink. This 7-Eleven is basically about 3 minutes to 2 minutes of a walk from my school. So it's always packed. They make a lot of money. I don't think they'll ever close.
Next!
Here.
379.
370. I have a debit card. You guys have a card.
Need a bag or no?
No.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
Right? And someone buys you a $50 debit card, right? $50, right? And you go to a store and you ask for cash back. What do you think happens to the value on your card?
It goes down.
Declines, and the money that was taken from the store, our company has to pay that money back.
He's talking to me about the debit card thingy-majiggy with cash back from 7-Eleven. So yeah.
Someone took a shit on the floor.
Someone just spilled coffee in the past. This is William. We saw him yesterday. You have like your own special part than yesterday. Yep.
Something like, you know, if we were to go with the one we just did, Josh is like about to move. He's like, oh man, my belt broke. I'm gonna go get a better belt. And then he like walks up and you stay here. And then he like walks out. And then once he's gone, we're back to the 3 people who are involved in the 3-person conflict. And now it sort of like shifts back to that 3-person play. And then we see the resolution of that 3-person conflict. And once we see that, person number 3 has to find some excuse to get up.
Acting studio.
I don't know.
I'm out of school right now. I have H Opta. There's no J band today, and it's 8th J. So I'm out of school early. We are going on a 7-Eleven run. So we're in 7-Eleven right now. All these delicious snacks and stuff. William has his pizza. He has his pizza. And we all have our pizza.
Stealing stuff.
So yeah, this is Jonathan,
Just here.
William, Brian,
Just here.
Frankie, Frankie. You guys are gonna know him from now on as the guy who likes pizza.
You're so racist because I'm Sicilian.
and this is Brandon. I'm deciding right now if I should get another green juice or not.
No, get this one. Get this one.
Nah. Thank you.
I got these things. These are buffalo chicken rollers.
7-Eleven run is over. Frankie not eating pizza, surprisingly.
Fuck you. Coffee, son, $6,000 a miniature vet.
He does the weather and then he goes to his pocket, he brings out biscuits, and the dog jumps up.
Wow, okay, on camera, okay. So pretty much this penny board right here, it's not mine, it's actually his. You saw him on it this morning. So yeah. I want to cry right now.
I don't know where he went.
This is my tripod is gone.
Okay, you guys smell. Yo, you know what she said?
He came back. She left me.
Now you're in it.
You guys are so embarrassed.
Hi.
Phone to Brian. I think he stole it. I don't know. You know what? William? Nah, you. I don't care. You want to do it? Yeah, I want to do it. I do.
So they tend to pants each other. So I'm sitting here.
They're pulling on my underwear too. Frankie. Yo, anybody else seeing this?
No, I hate that. I know. What are you doing? It like hurts so much.
What's this fucking black magic?
No, we can't.
Look at that.
So guys, I got amputated. Much vlog, wow. Yo! Someone give me 5, come on.
Jonathan said he hates everybody in the squad. I'm gonna tell you why.
I know he told me why he hates me. I hate this nigga Brandon because he don't
That's what he did.
So apparently Chase Bank has free lollipops. We are in Chase Bank. We are here for lollipops. We will not leave until we get a lollipop. There are the lollipops. I have a Chase debit card. Chase, yay!
For the lollipops.
So we just got our lollipops. I don't even know what I got. Oh, I got butterscotch. I don't even know if I like it.
Thank you. Yes, you could. Bye. That should say special entry.
So I'm going to a mall with a group of people right now. I stopped at this place because I want some water. It's the first time taking the beat now. I take this home every single day. Yeah. So the back of the bus is literally empty. We are still on the way to the mall. Remember, we got Brandon, William, Frankie. We are at the mall.
Again!
We're at the mall. Did you miss me?
I hit William. William just turns like this at the right moment, and it turns around.
We're at the mall. I don't know if you guys know Dennis CTV, the prankster. This is where he comes, and TV too. Like they all live in Brooklyn.
You gotta delete it and do it now.
Yeah. I'm literally not moving. Whoa! I made it. Yay! We're in Best Buy right now. I don't know what we're doing here. My battery's on 37%, so if my vlog cuts off at a certain point, you know what happened. Ridiculous. Why is it always me? The same thing happened at H&M, remember? Oh, I think there's something in my... Last time I went to H&M and then the thingy-majiggy started ringing. Remember? No, you weren't there, you left early. But I went to H&M, my thing started ringing. I feel like there's something in my bag or something related to my bag that makes things ring like that. Wow, this is ridiculous. So my bag is being searched right now because my thing starts ringing, and this is not the first time it happened. It happened in H&M too. I think it's something with my bag. So basically, they're telling me to do a little prank where I go to a pretty girl in the mall and say, "Hey, I think you're really cute. I think that we should like hang out or something." So yeah, I might actually do it. We'll see. We're in Foot Locker. I've been waiting for a gold chain for ages, so I'm gonna see if I can get one. So I need to call my mommy and ask her if I can use my debit card. That way. I made a cookie. I had to stop and ask them if they had nuts, because I'm allergic to nuts. So yeah. Water. I got corn dog nuggets. Chill. Yeah, come on. I got corn dog nuggets, and basically, the menu says 9, but they only gave me 6. This is. It locked his legs.
Not yet. Hold on.
Then yeah, this shit fucking creepy.
There it is. There it is.
So apparently this thing locks your legs, and a piece of it tends to go up your butt. I told you.
My leg tighter now. What the? Why is it so tight? Give a minute left. Why is it so tight on my legs? I'm not with that shit. You could charge your phone. This is scary. It's locking my legs. It's locking my legs. It's a fucking rape machine. Real Cosmo.
They're gonna enjoy that machine. I'm gonna get some water. $1.25 for water, compared to usually $1. That's right. We're going in here.
Ow! How you fit in there? How do you put the $1 in?
Okay, guys.
I don't think it's
So we're struggling. We're struggling to put the $1 in there.
I got you. It doesn't take dollars. Yeah, you see, it doesn't. Can you start?
Oh yeah, this would be blinking.
Yo.
Oh my gosh. This is going on the vlog, by the way. Oh my. Oh my gosh.
How am I gonna get out?
He's a contortionist.
Oh, it's lit. I'm sitting down. It's lit. Fuck this. I actually sitting. No way. Yo, no way.
True gamer right here. True gamer right here. True gamer.
I didn't know cars could fly.
True gamer.
How do cars fly like that?
Doesn't work that way.
I got a bonus, guys. I got a bonus.
Ooh, caught him. Fuck you.
I said fuck you.
Oh my gosh.
The graphics are amazing. Yo, what's up, kids? I wanted to crash on that.
That's Frankie for you guys. Surprisingly, once again, he's not eating pizza. Oh! I think he's stuck.
Another one.
They're leaving. Me and him take the same bus. We're out. Goodbye.
Another one.
This is the end of the vlog.